Hi, come in. This is my kitchen. Come and have a look. Actually, it's only a quarter of my kitchen, but it's the only quarter I could be bothered cleaning. So that's all you're gonna see. Look at all this, you see? I do have a lot of animals. These are the cat beds, dog bed. You'll find cat and dog beds all over the place. And I like to sit here in the morning with my morning coffee and just look out at the lovely scenery. Beautiful, I love it. Not been here long, only a couple of years, but I absolutely love it. Animals again. I'm animal mad, guys, what can I say? Arga, took me years. Well, I've only been here 2 years, but it took me 2 years to get used to this. It's absolutely boiling, but it's brilliant. I have burnt many a meal on there. I'm known for my burning. Oh, cat. One of my cats here. This is, what's your name? This is Betty. We called her Ugly Betty when she was born because she was the runt and she looked like a bat. But she's beautiful now, aren't you? Pretend you like me, Betty. Pretend you like me. Oh, I suppose you're going to want to see my fridge. Oh no, that's shocking. Oh, it's not too bad. And I swear to God, I didn't know I was doing this, so I haven't tidied it specially. Normally I open the fridge and a week's worth of shopping falls out. Me and my daughter have gone vegan, so this is like a vegan shelf and this is everyone else's shelves. So I went vegan last year and it's been great. Very good. So this is my lounge. Now I need to explain to you about my lounge because I've only been here 2 years, so I haven't really done a lot. However, I do love it. Let me explain. People have seen this photo and gone, why have you got a couch covering the door? It's because I'm going to get rid of the door because we don't use it. So I got the couch before I sorted the door out because that's just the kind of crazy chick I am. Love my fireplace. Always wanted a log burner fireplace. So we all sit and chill in here and watch telly. And then this room goes through to this room. But let me explain, I want to get some lovely doors like this, wood, that close this room off so it's 2 separate rooms. But I haven't done it yet. Need to earn a bit more. And this is just the room basically where when the boys are here, they chill out and play their games and PlayStations and Xboxes and every other game out there. So this is just kind of a chill or a football room. They watch football in here. Hi. This is what I like to call my little snug room. And again, gorgeous log burner. That isn't the time because I've run out of battery. So if any of you are watching and you've got a spare battery, if you could send it, that would be lovely. And I might have a clock that works. This tends to be the animal room. Needless to say why there's a wood floor. Because I had all my kittens. Well, I didn't have the kittens, the cat had the kittens, but they all lived in here for about 12 weeks and ruined my carpet, so I got the wood floor. Sadly, 2 of my cats are now on the windowsill. Very sadly, got killed on the road. This one is very cute because it looks like a little wooden ornament, little sleeping cat. This one horrifies me because they sent it back in its own little coffin, and that's hideous, but it's still Alan, so it's all right. Thanks, okay, for looking around my house, but to be honest with you, I've loads to do. I've animals to feed, so off you pop. Bye.